This is how to cut and trim video clips for Adobe After Effects in Adobe Premiere Pro CC. Drop a like if this helps, let's go. Start building passive income skills, click the link down below. Let's say you have 2 video clips right here and you'd like to cut and trim. For those who may not know, if you click W on your keyboard, it will delete or trim everything to the right, and then vice versa if you click on Q. See how it deletes and trims everything to the left. Or if you click C on your keyboard, it's going to add a cut or access the razor tool right here, and the same logic applies. You can simply click Q or W, or if you want to click here and click on backspace, see how it deletes the clip. Click right here in the empty slot. In the empty slot, click on backspace, it trimmed or deleted. Quick keyboard shortcut, go to the top left hand screen underneath edit, scroll down, click on keyboard shortcuts, and then right here in the search bar type in add space edit. Underneath shortcut, type in anything of your choice and then click on OK. As you can see, you can add as many cuts without clicking C on your keyboard for Adobe After Effects in Premiere Pro.